Today we're going to make this delicious Keto Shrimp Alfredo. Let's take a look. You're going to need 2 cloves of garlic, 1 cup of fresh parsley, half a cup of Parmesan, your favorite Alfredo sauce, Palmini Angel Hair noodles, and 1 pound of shrimp. Finally, mince your garlic and finally chop your Italian parsley, set aside for later. In the meantime, grab a pot with hot water in it, get it boiling on the stove. Next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and a couple tablespoons of butter into a skillet. Bring that up over medium-low heat and then add your garlic. Your only mission here, don't burn the garlic. I decided to add some red chili pepper flakes before throwing in the shrimp, salt and pepper as you cook those, then add your pasta sauce, Parmesan, and I used a little bit of cream just to get it to the right consistency. Getting that brought up to a nice simmer, leaving that simmering on low while I work on the noodles. Give these a good rinse before putting them in your pot, and we're going to let those boil for about 10 minutes. Love these Palmini noodles. After 10 minutes, drain off the excess water and add to the pan with your shrimp and pasta sauce. Remember that parsley from earlier? In the pan, stir it up to finish off the dish. I also turned off the heat at this point. And that is pretty much it. Plate it up, serve, and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.